Good evening everyone. I am Pratibha. Welcome to my channel Pratibha Chemistry Teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the topic matter, class 9 science 1 chapter, and we will discuss about the characteristic of matter. Okay, take a glass of water and add a spoon of salt and mix it well. So here is the salt will be disappear and water level remain almost the same. So there is a space between the salt particles and the water particles and occupy the space. Characteristic of particles of matters. See, particles have space between them. Sugar dissolve in water because sugar particles occupy the space between the water particles. Particles are continuously moving. The movement is called the kinetic motion. The higher the temperature, faster the particles move. A smell of perfume spread throughout a room. Third is the particles around each other. For example, particles have an attractive force between them. For solid, liquid and gas. Okay, see. Next is iron is difficult to break because water flows easily, air spread freely. Diffusion. Next is the characteristic is the diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from a region from a higher concentration to lower concentration due to their continuous motion. See, for example, perfume smell spreading, or incense stick fragrance spreading, or ink mixed with water. See, I will do some experiment. In this glass I mix 2-3 drop of ink. After mixing the ink throughout the water, and this is the diffusion. So after diffusion the color will show like this, look like this. Okay, reason gas particle move fastest. State of matter. There are 3 common state of matter. First is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so solid state is fixed shape. Okay, but liquid state is no fixed shape. See, solid, liquid and gas. Okay, in solid state shape is fixed. Okay, in solid state shape is fixed, but in liquid no fixed shape. No fixed shape. Okay, and gases also no fixed shape. No fixed shape. Okay, and solid state volume is fixed. Solid state volume is fixed. Volume is fixed. And liquid state also fixed volume, but gases is no volume fixed. Fixed volume. But gases is state no fixed volume. No fixed volume. Okay, see children, next point is the very strong attraction. In solid state attraction is very strong, and here is the moderate attraction, and here is the very weak attraction. Okay, so here is the solid state is the strong attraction. Strong attraction. And the liquid here is the moderate attraction, and here is a very weak attraction. Okay, children, next is the least compressible, and here is the liquid is the slightly compressible, here is the highly compressible. Here is the least compressible in the solid state, and here is the slightly compressible. Slightly compressible, and here is the highly compressible in gaseous state. Highly compressible. Understood? See, so what point today we will discuss? We have discussed matter has mass and occupies space. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Particles have space between them. Particles are always moving. Okay, particles attract one another. Diffusion is fastest in gases. Okay, in next video we will discuss the properties of solid, liquid, gases in detail, changes of state of matter and melting point, boiling point, and latent heat of fusion and vaporization, effect of temperature and pressure, and sublimation and evaporation. Okay, thank you children.